Hey everyone, how you doing? Thanks for joining me. Haven't done a night video for a while, so I figured why not after work just do a video. So folks, it's amazing. This corridor here in Central Florida was always home to so many restaurants, and this COVID problem, this thing that's going on, so many of these restaurant chains are falling one by one by one. So we got fireworks. 4th of July is coming up. That's strange. Anyway, so I'm here on Highway 192 in Central Florida to talk about how we've had 3 major restaurant chains go away and never going to open again. So the first one is right behind me. It's Golden Corral. Second one is Logan's Roadhouse. Third one is Sweet Tomatoes. Now, of course, these franchises are going out all across the country, but the amazing thing, and some of them might stay open, some of them might stay open if they're privately owned. I don't think any of the Sweet Tomato ones are, but I guess what I'm trying to say is that it's kind of scary and it's amazing because, you know, you look at the size of this place. Let me just turn you around here just to show you. I mean, look at the size of this Golden Corral. Now, I could tell you this is right across the street from Celebration. And the size of this place, I mean, I could tell you coming home from work all the time how busy this place always is. I mean, even at this late hour, going back only a few months ago, this whole parking lot would be filled because, again, this corridor is right near everything. This corridor is, like I said, right across from Celebrate. It's also a couple of miles away from Animal Kingdom. It's not far away. There's so many hotels up and down 192. You know, and the same goes for Roadhouse, and the same goes for Sweet Tomatoes. All of these places now, obviously, we know buffets, you know, in the last few years have had one foot in Chapter 11 and the other foot on a banana peel, but, you know, for the cleanliness and different things. But most of these places, folks, were really, really clean. And the scary part is that these places they provide a lot of jobs for the area and a lot of jobs for the country. And it's just funny. It's like, it seems weird that so much is changing in the world that we're in right now. And I remember not too long ago, you know, I'm a big lover of the parks. I'm a big lover of going to the parks, you know, all of them. But one of the things I always loved the most before we moved down here from Brooklyn was going up and down International Drive, going up and down 192, and trying all these different restaurants that maybe weren't in Brooklyn. And it's just amazing that they're all going away. You know, and like I say, we don't know what's going to happen. So far as we speak, if you visit from New York, you have to quarantine yourself for 14 days. That's not going away anytime soon. So it's just crazy, folks. Really, really, not crazy, but, you know, it's really a different world that we're living in. So I just want to wish everybody well who's working at these places. I enjoyed them over the years. Most of these places were really, really clean. They were very, very busy. Most of these places were some of the busiest ones in the country because, you know, you have how many million people coming through Orlando every year? What's the number? 20 million? 25 million? And, you know, most of these places gave discounts if you worked in the parks or, you know, for the companies. So it's really sad to see them all going. And I guess, folks, sooner or later, things will pick up. I don't know when. But if anybody's out there and has a really good idea for a restaurant, you're going to have a choice pick here in Orlando on 192, on International Drive, on all of these major thoroughfares that inhabit this corridor. So, like I say, folks, just wanted to do a night video, keep you guys up to date as to what's going on. Please subscribe if you can. Like I'm telling you, all the proceeds from this channel are going to go towards suicide prevention. We lost our son last August, and we're going to make a foundation for him. We're going to be giving out musical instruments for anybody in need. So if you could subscribe, that'd be great. Drop me a line. I'm here down in Orlando. So I wish everybody well wherever you are. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for joining me. Take care now. Bye-bye. Well, it may be gone, but it's not forgotten. So here's a little tribute to Golden Corral in its heyday.